Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I just want to show you how I recreated these eyebrows. Easy, breezy, fast, sharp. If you want to know how to do something like this in the shortest possible time, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'm just drawing on the brows. You start from here. This is the beginning part. This is your highest point of your arc, and this is where your eyebrow should end. How do I know that? When you take a pencil, you put it like this on the side of your nose to the front part of your eye. That's just mark that spot. That's where your brows should start from. You take your pencil through your pupil up. That should be the arc. Then you take your pencil through the edge of your outer edge of your eye out. This should be the end spot. And then you join all three lines together, starting from the bottom. Simple. And then you do the top. Always make sure you're using a sharp pencil, and always go in strokes. You see the way I'm going in strokes. I'm not just drawing a straight line, like drawing the line. Just go in little strokes like that. Little strokes. You can see that. Little strokes. Little strokes. Then you brush out this part of the brows. And you comb up. You can see it's not so difficult. You mark the spots again, beginning, highest point of the arc, and this is where you should stop. Okay, start drawing little short strokes, short strokes. And brush out, comb upwards, and then the next thing you do will be to clean up the brow so that it looks neat. Because if you don't clean up the brows, the full shape of the brow will not come out. It will not have that definition. Okay, so you take a concealer, a brush, make sure that the brush is quite pinched in, and then you start to define. After defining, take a fluffy brush like this and you gently tap out, almost like you're blending it. Can you see that? You are done. you have to go over top of your brows, please go make sure you use your foundation shade and not the light concealer you used to conceal. Now another thing I like to do is to look at the brows if there's any adjustment to be made. I just want to make the front a little bit more boxy. You brush out, you brush upwards, and there you have it. Let me quickly do the other brows, and I'll show you something I always like to do too. Another thing I like to do is to take a brow tamer like this. This is a Double Cosmetics Instant Brow Tamer. It's like a brow tamer. It's like a gel, it's like a clear see-through gel. And I'll just take some and put some on the back of my hand like this, just to warm it up a bit. Just rub it through the brush and then comb it through the brows. It picks up any single brow hair you have and gives you that natural soft look at her brows, eyes. And there you have it, guys. You can see to draw on your brows, if you don't have like microbladed brows, I beg your pardon, it's pretty easy, pretty fast. Like, just look at this. This is looking beautiful. That's just about it. All right, so I'm just going to put on the rest of my face and then come back so you see the finished look. So there you have it, guys, the finished look. You can see that the eyebrows are given. Like, this eyebrow do not even take you 5 minutes. Everything it is given. Make sure you have a sharp pencil, a concealer that's a shade lighter than me, and that is it. I already showed you how to do it and see with a full face of makeup on, see how it's looking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned to the end, and come your way again next week. Remain blessed. Bye, guys.